All right.
Can I go to the bathroom real quick?
We just started the film. You, 1 second, then me and you will both go.
I did the, what you call it, I did discussion.
Just hang on 1 second, I promise. All right, so real quick, like. All right, so here it is. We found the height. The height is of this guy. But now we're trying to swim from one corner to the other side. So if we look at this, we can go, oh, at every corner, if you go straight across, connects with the height of the other triangle. So every corner connects with the height of the other triangle. Does that make sense? So every corner connects with the height of every triangle. That means that this is the same as this. Does that make sense? So that means that as long as we can find the hypotenuse, we can find the distance across the pool. So, how do you find hypotenuse? Well, lots of ways. You can use SOHCAHTOA, or we can do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. It's really up to you. I mean, a squared plus b squared equals c squared is already set up because you got a is 1.5, b is squared, b is 3.1 squared, and c squared. So basically the square root of 1.5 plus 3.1, or your half base, your half base, and your what are we going to call it? Your half base and your height. Okay. So if I do the square root, which is second button that, when of 1.5 squared plus your height, which is 3.1 squared. What's that equals? For me, I'm going to get that C is equal to 3.44 or 3.4. Okay? So this hypotenuse is 3.4 for me. Does that make sense? So then the distance across the pool is going to be 3.4 plus 3.1. So my distance is going to be 6.5. And that would be my distance from one corner of the pool to the other side of the pool. Does that make sense? That was your height? Yes. Plus the 5 squared. So, remember? And then you square root it. So you take your half, your 5, but
I know. I meant when I get.
you're going to get the 10.1 squared plus the 5 squared and then square root it.
Yeah,
Right?
that's what I did.
Yep. You're right.
Oh, then I don't do anything after that?
Nope, that should be, well, then you'll add those two distances.